Presenting the Yi 1080p Dome Camera. Experience 360 degrees of panoramic view and high-quality 1080p resolution that delivers clear and detailed footage. The 112-degree wide-angle lens with 360 degrees of coverage lets you see every corner of the room, even at night. Lens distortion correction ensures that your footage is clear and shows every detail. The Yi Home app offers easy monitoring and simple setup. Baby crying detection uses advanced technology to detect your baby's cry within 5 meters or 16 feet and sends an alert right to your smartphone. Motion tracking can track movement and send an alert to your phone with a 10-second video clip. Two-way audio with noise-canceling microphone features intercom mode to send clear commands and hands-free mode for easy conversation. The Yi 1080p Dome camera supports up to 32 gigs in local storage. Or for the most secure storage solution, subscribe to Yi Cloud to protect all your footage from theft and damage. The Yi 1080p Dome camera from the leader in home security cameras.